Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Boosting testosterone naturally and its significance. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for many men's health and well-being. Boosting testosterone naturally. If you've ever felt a dip in your energy levels, libido, or overall vitality, you're not alone. Low testosterone can affect everything from your mood to your muscle mass, and understanding how to enhance it naturally can be a game changer. In this video, we'll explore the significance of maintaining healthy testosterone levels and how they are vital to your physical and mental health. We'll discuss effective lifestyle changes, dietary adjustments, and natural supplements that can help elevate your testosterone levels without using synthetic hormones. But that's not all. We'll also explore how these changes can increase libido, improve mood, and enhance performance in various aspects of life. Imagine feeling more energetic, confident, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Sounds appealing, right? So, stick around if you're curious about the best testosterone-boosting supplements and strategies for reclaiming your vitality. We'll provide practical tips and insights that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Let's begin this journey to better health and a more vibrant life. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding testosterone health. The importance of testosterone for overall health and well-being. Testosterone is often called the male hormone, but its significance extends far beyond gender. This powerful hormone plays a crucial role in both physical and mental health, influencing everything from muscle mass and strength to mood and cognitive function. For men, testosterone is essential for maintaining energy levels, promoting a healthy libido, and supporting overall vitality. When testosterone levels are optimal, individuals often experience increased energy, enhanced motivation, and a more robust sex drive. However, when these levels dip, the effects can be profound. Low testosterone can lead to fatigue, reduced libido, and even mood swings or depression. Imagine feeling constantly drained, lacking the drive to engage in activities you once enjoyed, or struggling with intimacy. These are just a few of the daily challenges faced by those with low testosterone. Moreover, low testosterone can impact physical health, leading to decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and a higher risk of chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. This hormonal imbalance can create a cycle of declining health, making it vital to recognize and address the symptoms early on. Understanding the importance of testosterone is the first step toward reclaiming your health and well-being. By prioritizing testosterone health, you can enhance your energy, boost your libido, and improve your overall quality of life. So, let's explore how to support and elevate your testosterone levels naturally. Recognizing low testosterone symptoms. Identifying common symptoms associated with low testosterone levels. Recognizing the signs of low testosterone is crucial for maintaining your overall health and well-being. Many men may not realize that they are experiencing symptoms linked to low testosterone levels. Common indicators include persistent fatigue, a noticeable decrease in libido, and mood changes such as irritability or depression. You might feel exhausted, even after a whole night's sleep, or lacking the desire for intimacy you once had. These symptoms can significantly impact your quality of life. Imagine struggling to muster the energy for daily activities, feeling disconnected from your partner, or experiencing mood swings that affect your relationships and work life. Low testosterone can create a ripple effect, leading to decreased motivation, lower self-esteem, and even social withdrawal. It's essential to take these symptoms seriously. If you're noticing a combination of fatigue, reduced libido, and mood fluctuations, it may be time to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide a comprehensive evaluation and help determine if low testosterone is the underlying issue. Remember, addressing these symptoms early can lead to effective treatment options and a better quality of life. Don't hesitate to seek support. Your health is worth it. By recognizing these signs and seeking help, you can take the first step toward reclaiming your vitality and well-being. How to increase testosterone naturally. Actionable tips for naturally boosting testosterone levels. Boosting testosterone levels naturally is achievable through several lifestyle changes focusing on nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management. First and foremost, a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is crucial. Incorporate foods high in zinc, vitamin D, and healthy fats, such as lean meats, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. These nutrients play a vital role in hormone production and overall health, helping to create an optimal environment for testosterone synthesis. Regular exercise, particularly strength training, is another powerful way to elevate testosterone levels. Resistance training not only builds muscle but also stimulates hormone production. To maximize your results, aim for a mix of weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Consistency is vital, so find a routine you enjoy and stick with it. Remember to consider the importance of adequate sleep and effective stress management. Quality sleep is essential for hormone regulation, including testosterone. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. Additionally, chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can negatively impact testosterone. Incorporate stress-reducing practices such as mindfulness, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine to help maintain a balanced hormonal environment. Start making these changes today for a healthier, more vibrant life. Testosterone-boosting supplements. Reviewing popular supplements that may help increase testosterone levels. When naturally boosting testosterone levels, many people turn to supplements for additional support. Two popular options that have gained attention are D-aspartic acid and zinc. D-aspartic acid is an amino acid that plays a role in hormone production and has been shown in some studies to help increase testosterone levels, particularly in men with low testosterone. Zinc, on the other hand, is a vital mineral that supports various bodily functions, including hormone regulation. Research suggests that adequate zinc levels are essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels, especially in those who are deficient. While these supplements show promise, it's essential to approach them with caution. The effectiveness of testosterone-boosting supplements can vary from person to person, and not all studies agree on their benefits. Additionally, while they are generally considered safe when taken as directed, excessive intake can lead to adverse effects. For instance, too much zinc can cause nausea and interfere with absorbing other essential minerals. Before incorporating any supplements into your routine, it's crucial to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you determine if these supplements are appropriate for your needs and ensure you're using them safely. Remember, supplements should complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. By combining informed choices with a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can effectively support your testosterone health. Boosting energy levels. Exploring how increased testosterone can enhance energy and vitality. Increased testosterone levels can significantly enhance your energy and vitality, creating a positive ripple effect throughout your daily life. Testosterone is closely linked to energy levels. When your testosterone is within a healthy range, you'll likely experience improved stamina, motivation, and overall vitality. Low testosterone often leads to fatigue and lethargy, making even simple tasks feel daunting. By boosting your testosterone levels naturally, you can reclaim that lost energy and feel more vibrant. Consider implementing some lifestyle changes to enhance your energy levels. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, including lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables, can provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial, as dehydration can lead to fatigue. One of the most effective ways to boost energy is through regular physical activity. Incorporating exercise into your routine not only helps increase testosterone levels but also releases endorphins, which can elevate your mood and energy. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular workouts and strength training to maximize your results. Even simple activities like walking, cycling, or engaging in sports can make a significant difference. Encourage yourself to find activities you enjoy. This will make it easier to stay consistent. By prioritizing physical activity and making mindful lifestyle choices, you can boost your testosterone levels and, in turn, enhance your energy and vitality. Embrace these changes and watch as your energy levels soar. Best testosterone boosters. Identifying some of the best testosterone boosters available when it comes to naturally boosting testosterone levels, several products have gained popularity for their effectiveness and quality. Two standout options are Testofuel and Prime Male, both designed to support healthy testosterone production and enhance overall vitality. Testofuel is known for its powerful blend of ingredients that work synergistically to promote testosterone levels. Key components include D-aspartic acid, which has been shown to stimulate hormone production, and vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. Additionally, Testofuel contains zinc and magnesium, which are crucial for testosterone synthesis and overall health. This combination helps boost testosterone and supports muscle growth and recovery, making it a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. On the other hand, Prime Male is formulated specifically for men over 30, focusing on restoring testosterone levels that may decline with age. Its ingredients include D-aspartic acid, vitamin D3, and a blend of herbal extracts like nettle root and ginseng, which enhance libido and energy. Prime Male also emphasizes the importance of reducing estrogen levels, ensuring a balanced hormonal environment. As you consider these testosterone boosters, evaluate your individual needs and goals. What works for one person may not be suitable for another. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen to ensure it aligns with your health objectives. By choosing the right product for you, you can effectively support your testosterone health and enhance your overall well-being. We discussed how maintaining healthy testosterone levels is essential for energy, libido, mood stability, and physical performance. Recognizing the symptoms of low testosterone, such as fatigue and decreased motivation, is the first step toward reclaiming your vitality. We also shared actionable tips for naturally boosting testosterone levels, including the importance of a balanced diet rich in nutrients, the benefits of regular exercise and strength training, and the necessity of adequate sleep and effective stress management. Additionally, we reviewed popular testosterone-boosting supplements like Testofuel and Prime Male, highlighting their key ingredients and how they can support your testosterone health. Now, it's time to take action! Implementing these tips can lead to significant improvements in your energy levels and overall quality of life. Remember, every small change counts, so start incorporating these strategies into your daily routine today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can empower each other to lead healthier, more vibrant lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.